Welcome to FAD tutorial. Let's make this wooden table design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new part, okay. Then select the front plane, sketch, go to the center rectangle like this, okay. Smart dimension, this dimension is 150 and this dimension is 5. Close. Then draw a corner rectangle like this, okay. Smart dimension, the distance from here is 20 and this dimension is 5. The distance from here to here is 45, okay. Then draw a line, okay, make it like this, okay. Go to the smart dimension, this dimension is 85, okay. This dimension is 30, okay. Go to the offset entities, select this sketch, okay, and make it 5, reverse, okay. Smart dimension, the distance from here to here is 55, okay. And close this point. We remove this one, yes, like this. Go to the line like this up to here, here, like this, okay. Make it horizontal. So smart dimension 65, okay. Now go to the trim entities, remove this portion, remove this portion also, okay. Close. And then draw a corner rectangle again here like this, close. Smart dimension, the distance from here to here is 5, okay. Smart dimension, the distance from here to here is 25, okay. Go to the trim entities, delete this one, delete this portion also. So go to the feature, extrude base, the dimension here is 50, okay. Now table design is ready. So go to the appearance, go to the organic, go to the wood and ash. So I'm using this one, and full body. So material is applied. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please support this channel. You will get a lot of tutorial from this channel. Thank you for watching.